Now we are going to connect with Ms. Zannina Anagnostopoulou, Senior Partner and Advisory Service Leader at PM Partners LLP and President of the Board of Directors of PMI Greece, who will give her greetings. Ms. Anagnostopoulou, thank you for being here with us today. The digital stage is yours.
Καλημέρα. Καλημέρα σε όλους. First of all, I would like to thank ITSMF, Elas, Board of Directors, and Mr. Passas and Mr. Marikan for the invitation, as well as BOUSSIAS Communication for inviting me today on this event. We're together with distinguished speakers and highly respected delegates and project management professionals from Greece and abroad. We are discussing leveraging the information technology world of goods, committing to a constant learning of how to link business strategy with tactical execution. As a member of the family of the project management community and as the president of the board of directors for PMI Greece chapter, I welcome today's discussion. Today's discussion, which embrace the new ways of business thinking, business novel experiences, embedded with high technology investments and, of course, new digital capabilities, all of which I believe support a rapid organizational transformation, a revolutionary corporate environment where we work and where organizations are called to build a customer intimacy and empathy, other than just serve the customer, and navigating the same time through complexity managing change. And change is here to stay as a constant, as if it's a new business logic. But change has a fundamental difference with transformation. Transformation is creating a new future, innovating and digitizing, not just creating a better version of the past. Transformation requires a shift in our mindsets, in governance, avoiding all the approaches of the past with silos. It needs a new culture with the right capabilities required to transform strategy into reality. And the majority of decision makers I see in organizations are currently involved in digital transformation with technologies like cloud computing, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, which are being heavily deployed to enhance customer experience. And as a consumer, even before I get used to a smart home appliance or to a latest application in my iPhone, new technology arrives with up-to-date features. But as project manager, I am utilizing all these tools. All these tools provided for my work, and I can now devote more time on driving the realization of business value, as work now has been facilitated by this automation of many recurring aspects of the past regarding work, like Gantt charts or collecting requirements. When we discuss digital transformation, I think we discuss something more than digitizing documentation or existing line of products. It requires from us a new approach to business models, to product focus. And it's true that we see that digital transformation most of the times magnifies particular flaws in our processes and the corporate collaboration model. So going back to basics, the corporate leaders and project managers are called to reconnect with the value of the deliverable. Focus on changing the culture and the mindset of people before we decide which digital tools to use and how. Because transformation encourages the establishment of a culture with new capabilities, and PMI is offering a variety of well-acknowledged certification and courses for us and enable technical and non-technical professionals to develop those skills. Reviewing lately the Bright Line transformation framework, this declares that the route to digital transformation must be an employee transformation and is about building this movement that aligns inside and outside in approaches, building employee commitment and motivation. PMI, at its latest report for 2022 megatrends, acknowledges that during the past year, a vast majority of innovators accelerated an expansion of digital technologies, especially for tools which enable us online collaboration and remote work. And this trend, I think, toward remote work has been here to stay. And has been gaining speed. And organizations continue to invest in artificial intelligence to augment skills like decision-making, risk management, analysis, knowledge management. And now we're discussing and debating when artificial intelligence will prove capable of replacing human-like intelligence. Whether we can now focus more on shaping artificial intelligence with human values, including dignity and morale, in order to make a meaningful application of artificial intelligence and protect integrity and availability of data. For all of us, survival was mission number one in the past 2 years, with all organizations having to adapt to the new normality, to rethink business and strategies, operating models and processes. But we are now aware more than ever of our non-boundaries of limits to learn quickly in an extremely fast-moving environment and staying resilient as professionals, breaking from our traditional ways of working, focusing on empowering our people, the project teams, increasing our flexibility, increasing digitization, the speed of decision-making, but with a commitment to an open communication and a transparent and consistent flow of information. Thank you again for the invitation and enjoy the conference. And thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Ms. Anagnostopoulou. Thank you for being with us today, and I hope you have a great conference day. Thank you.
Thank you again.